Hello students, now we are going to see the experiment number 5, that is consistency limits. So within consistency limits we are going to determine plastic limit, liquid limit and shrinkage limit of the soil. So we are in this particular video we are going to see the first part, that is determination of plastic limit. So to determine the plastic limit, first of all we require some mass of soil sample, okay, and it should get passed out from the 425 micron. So we have taken some mass of, it is approximately 50 to 60 gram of soil sample passing from 425 micron. Then we require spatula. Then this is container for water content determination, and we require, this is the glass plate, okay, on which we can roll that particular sample, and weighing balance. So this is the basic equipment that we require to perform the plastic limit. Now we are going to perform, first of all, in this particular soil sample you have to add some mass of water, okay. So it's by your judgment, you have to add some mass of water. Then you have to take some mass of soil in your hand. Okay, and you have to just submerge that water into the soil. So you have to make, or you have to saturate that particular water into the soil. So if you require some dry soil, you can take. If you require some water content, you can take. Okay. So once we do some paste of the soil sample, what you have to do? So this is how we have to make a paste. Okay, you can make a paste on your palm of your hands, and then you have to roll that particular soil sample on the glass plate. Okay, you can roll on your palm of hands. Okay, you can roll like this, or you can roll on the glass plate. Okay, so you have to roll of 3 mm diameter. It should be of 3 mm diameter. If you make a roll of 3 mm diameter like this, okay, there should be cracks on the surface of this roll. If you observe the cracks, then you have to keep this particular soil sample for water content determination. The water content which is present into that particular roll is called as a plastic limit. So right now I can see there are some cracks on the surface of this particular roll. So I need to keep this particular sample for water content determination. So if you look at the observation, so there are same observation as in the water content determination. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to take mass of empty container. So we require this container. Okay. So I will take the first one. The mass of empty container is 22 gram. So I can write over here 22 gram. Then we have to keep this particular rolled sample. Okay, you can break this particular rolls into the pieces like this. Okay, so again I have another rolls. Okay, so I have to keep into the container. So once I keep into the container, you have to take another. So it is mass of container plus wet soil. So it is 29 gram. So it is 29 gram. And then you have to keep this particular container into the oven for oven drying. So now we will keep this particular container into the oven. So we have to keep this container plus wet soil into the oven for 24 hours for 105 to 107 degrees Celsius. So after 24 hours we will get mass of container plus dry soil, and from that we can able to find out the water content. Close your container.